Magic. Our Wicked Winter Survival Guide continues on News 4.
It's one of Detroit's
News 4's Paula Tutman is live in Birmingham once again with more on your winter home survival guide. Paula?
That's right, and I'm with our handyman, Dale Cranston. First of all, whenever we see those salt trucks on the road, we say, yay, we're so glad to see them. But salt is actually bad for our homes and our driveways, right? And why?
That's right, because it's going to eat up your concrete and even your pavement. It also damages plants and grass and stuff in the future, especially when you're spreading a lot of it around.
But you got to have something for the sidewalks.
Yeah, and also it's not as good at low temperatures. So I like to use this calcium chloride or some type of salt substitute.
You say the more expensive, the better.
Yeah, and that's a good way to tell. And this one's got a nice little shaker top to it, so you don't have to use as much because this will work 4 times better than salt.
In fact, we tested some 15 minutes ago. We put some of this down here, and this is what happened. Basically, Sue, if you come over here, this is what it looked like. And then when we put this down 15 minutes ago, this is what it looks like now. And this will also not hurt your plants, your sidewalk, etc. Listen, thank you so much for being part of our Wicked Winter Survival Guide. And I guess we'll see you 6 inches of snow from now, right?
You betcha.
Okay. Reporting live, Paula Tutman, News 4 Birmingham.
How you